Hello everyone, good afternoon. Hope you are well and have a wonderful day. It's Monday, March 21st, 2022. It's around 4 pm and the temperature is 28 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across at 54th Street in Pajuntong Township, Yangon, Myanmar. Let's walk. This is a neighborhood where most of Indian subcontinent origin people live. As you can see, there are lots of Tamil Hindu temple and also a Muslim mosque here. On the left side it's a Tamil temple named Sri Selva Vinayakar temple. There are lots of old colonial era buildings here. As you can see, most of people are Indian subcontinent origin. They came to Burma during British colonial time for work and business and settled down in Burma. They look like Indian subcontinent origin people. As you can see on the left side, it's an old colonial era building. It's one of the oldest building in the neighborhood. It is one of the bustling neighborhood. On the right side, it's a energy trading company. There is a Muslim restaurant named Rahmat Restaurant. You can get all kinds of Muslim food here. As you can see, Muslim community people are preparing some street foods. There are various kinds of snacks here. This is samosa, pyaju. Hello Minglaba. How much this samosa?
1,007 piece.
And this pyaju?
Same. This 5 piece, 1,000.
Oh, this is chola.
This is
Chola food. How much?
500.
500.
One plate.
This is open. Why open? No cover?
Cover.
There are lots of vendors on both sides of the street. They are selling various kinds of vegetables and fruits. Some tomatoes, cauliflower, cabbage. This is a banana seller. Hello Minglaba. How much banana? How much? 4 piece? 2,000.
1,800.
This is Burmese banana.
1,000. Baby, where are you?
This is a mosque for Muslim community people in the neighborhood. People are buying some fruits here. A Muslim woman is walking. Quite busy traffic in the neighborhood. This is a Muslim street food stall. He is selling various kinds of meats here. Chicken. Hello Minglaba. How much this chicken?
700.
700. This is barbecue. Barbecue, okay. Is it halal? Halal, 100%.
Allah.
Oh, okay, okay. Now I'm walking beside Anaurahta Road in Yangon. On the left side it's a betel leaf stall. And this is a mosque for Muslim community. There are some food stalls on the left side. Now I'm walking across 53rd Street in Pazundong Township, Yangon. This is 53rd Street. Vehicles are parked on both sides of the street. An old man is walking using mask. A generator is running. Muslim people are going to mosque for prayer. These are some Muslim women with burqa. As you can see on the right side, it is a mosque for Muslim community. There are some hardwares and workshops beside the footpath. This is a workshop in the neighborhood. As you can see, laborers are working here. On the right side it's a generator store. Various kinds of generators are available here.
10 lakh.
This gasoline generator, how much?
10 lakh.
10 lakh. 10 lakh means how much US dollar?
US dollar. Around 450 or 500.
450 US dollar. As you can see on the right side, there are some electrical and electronic stores. Various kinds of machineries are available here. Muslim women. This is eco-friendly coop. People are eating food sitting beside the road. Woman is selling chicken eggs. A street food stall. Ginger tea. How much one piece ginger tea?
200, 300.
Okay, give me one 400. Thank you. This is a sugar cane stall. Dish antennas on the rooftop of the buildings. Some small grocery store. This is a Tamil Hindu temple at 51st Street. This is Ramakrishna Mission Yangon. Cycles and tricycles are moving around the street. As you can see on the left side, it's a mosque for Muslim community. The name of this mosque is Bamalar Sunni Muslim Jamai Mosque. Quite busy traffic in the afternoon. Muslim people are getting out of the mosque after the prayer. A Muslim man is walking. This is the Myanmar tricycle. A lady is bicycling. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.